Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another weekly arrival episode, number 8. This is something we put together because people just don't want to see an unboxing of one thing and you can't please everybody. So we started picking multiple items each week, some brand new, some old and forgotten about, and just do a quick review on it. And all these products will be at the bottom of the YouTube video. Make sure you like this video right now. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell. This way, any video that comes up, you'll be notified. We do this for likes and shares. We'll work for likes and shares. And then finally, share this out. Let other people see it. And then leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it, didn't like it, or product you want us to bring on. Whatever it is, leave it in the comments. So, without further ado, we got some really cool stuff. In fact, the first item is this right here. It's the Kicker Solo X 10-inch. Now, what blows my mind is they first released the 12-inch, and that was pretty crazy looking. But I didn't realize the 10-inch was going to be the same motor and everything else, just a smaller cone. And look at this thing. It's like a brick shithouse, man. Just like the 12, you have two different style terminals on here. This will come in a dual 1 and dual 2. These are able to be reconed without even pulling them out of the box. That is crazy. Man, this thing is just, it blows my mind. You look at woofers all day long, and there's some companies out there that make some cool stuff, and there's other companies that just change baskets and surrounds. This is definitely one of its kind. You can get these for $6.49. But listen, we're not allowed to sell the Kicker Solo X stuff on our website. No dealers are. You will need to contact 737-BIG-JEFF or email in at info@bigjeffaudio.com. And if you're in the area, come on down and pick them up. We have them in stock right now. Okay, let's move on up. If you are watching this, that means the podcast already happened, and we had Alan from Galeforce on there making a huge announcement with the F1 series. So Galeforce came out with the F3s, waterproof, huge sound. It has a driver and a speaker, and it just crisp, clear, loud sound. Originally designed for bikes and boats, but car guys use it too. So Alan listened to the people and they said, hey, we love those speakers, but they're really expensive and we need something a little less expensive that we can use in all applications and still have that waterproof design. And he came through with a Neo tweeter, the same quality spider and coil you get in the F3s, but instead of a driver, you get a tweeter. Now, that carbon fiber feel up top, this is waterproof. Now, I'm not telling you to go pressure wash this or go dump it in a bucket. But yes, there is a rubber seal grommet around the tweeter to not allow water to get in, and you don't have to UV or waterproof coat these. They come like that and will last forever. Yes, they are UV protected and they're already coated to be waterproof. As long as you make a good seal with this, you should be just fine. It already has, we'll call it a base blocker, a capacitor for the tweeter. He still did some nice tinsel leads, and then you got the push really tight, and I would think you have no problem getting in there. Basic 16, 18 gauge, or even a little bit bigger. This right here comes in a 6x9 and a 6.5. He also made the grill, because everybody wanted a grill that fits with the tweeter. Now, yes, why does the tweeter stick up? Well, we learned that last night on the podcast. So if you want, go back in our videos and go look at our podcast. We talked all about the design and everything else. Now, check this out. One connection, 4 ohm. Really cool. 100 watts RMS each, 200 watts peak. You don't need that much power. They're very efficient, very loud. Now, we do have them up for sale for pre-order. They will be here before Black Friday, but we're taking orders now. And for that, you can get the 6.5-inch set, not singular, for $179.95. And you can get the 6x9 set for $199. That is an incredible deal. We have them right now available on our website for pre-order. Why should you put the order in now? Because when they hit for Black Friday, these things are going to sell so fast. Don't know how long we're going to have until the next order comes in. Okay. You all heard we are the newest online retailer, not just a dealer. We don't do installs, but Kenwood, after months of talking, put us on as a online line retailer. Why is that so special? They haven't done that in over 5 years. So we wanted to bring up some Kenwood product, which is really cool. And right here is a dash cam that'll integrate in to their double dins. This is so cool and so small. You can just go ahead and stick this on the front windshield, and the specs on these things, they're so super clear, high definition, and so small. And then they give you cable. You can just plug and play this thing. This right here is the DRV N520. It's $219.99 on our website, in stock right now. They give you an SD card and everything else. The cool thing is you can use this as a standalone. It does have a built-in microphone and incredible video, or plug it directly into one of your double dins. Talking about double dins, check this out. The DMX 8709S for only $499. Now, look how small it is. Why do you ask? Well, less and less people are needing CDs. We're using Bluetooth, and we're using streaming devices, and we're using, USBs. So they went ahead and made this miniature for $499. Now, some of the features on this thing, you can do a Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can get a Sirius antenna, which just plugs in with a little mount. We sell those also. And then you can have Sirius on here, touchscreen. Man, Bluetooth. You can do the backup camera. Man, it's just endless here. Bass boost, EQ, time alignment. You can get in there and set your system right on the screen. This thing is cool. It is clean and small. This is $499.99. This is the DMX 8709S and monitor and receiver. Go ahead and get this now in stock. It is a 6.8. That means they've pretty much filled up the whole screen, and for that price range, awesome. Now, what else does it have? Navigation. Where are you going to do that unless you're buying some of these cheap Android units that have all these delays and glitches? Get a Kenwood product. So, you see the new arrivals. We got Kenwood in the house, Kicker Solo X, and the brand new F-Series from Galeforce. We'll have all this at the bottom of the YouTube page. Please share this out. Leave some comments. Let us know what we can do. And guess what? I'll see you next week with another bunch of products. If there's something you want to see or something you want us to do, leave it in the comments or send an email to info@bigjeffaudio.com. And always, you can use 737-BIG-JEFF. You can text, call, and WhatsApp that number at 737-244-5333. Listen, I didn't even need to put the hater blockers on, but we have them in stock. You get your pinky ring, you get your glasses, and you get your chain. Check it out. It is the hater starter kit. Listen, thank you so much for being a Big Jeff Audio follower. I hope bringing these products to you gives you an idea of what we have or things out there you might not know about. And if you want to pick one up, just go to bigjeffaudio.com. Make sure you sign up for your rewards. And also, you can use Big Jeff Pay. Get a line of credit from us, and you can buy this stuff and pay it as you need. So, why else would you want to order from there? Every order is going to get some swag and not stuff we pick out. You get to pick out what you want. So, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio with another weekly arrival episode number 8. I'll see you next week.